Branding your business is sort of like getting ready for a first date. You take the time to get ready and hope you make a great first impression so that relationship can be successful. It's the same when you're meeting a client for the first time, or really when the client is meeting you. Branding is the equivalent to makeup and a fancy dress or a suit and tie when it comes to business. It's the key element to making sure that you make a great first impression. So how do you dress up your brand? Well, having a logo and website that's well designed and portrays your brand's message is definitely an important element to include. Honestly, there are tons of important elements to consider when branding your business. The best way to know everything you need to is by taking a look at the guide to business branding our team at Socially Infused has written. It has everything you need to know about making a great first impression on potential clients. So click the link down below or keep reading to find out more.